Not yet. As you said, these are postal ballots, and let's remember our good friend Ashutosh was also leading under postal ballots, and then of course we know what happened. But the fact is,
Which Ashutosh?
you are great
Ashutosh,
friend.
when he contested from
You are great
Delhi,
friend.
from Chandni Chowk he contested. Ashutosh Gupta.
Ashutosh Gupta.
Yes.
Our Ashutosh.
But the fact remains, when you talk of messages, I would say two messages. One is Sandesh Khali and the other is Tamil Nadu. So when I need to keep, at least I'll be keeping a very
From
strong
the
eye
women's
on this.
perspective, I need to add one more message.
Yeah.
See, we said Saran Rudy is leading, which means Rohini Acharya, Lalu's daughter, is trailing.
Correct.
Similarly, Patliputra, if BJP is leading,
Meesa
Meesa Bharti is
is-
trailing.
yeah.
So both the sisters of Tejasvi Yadav are trailing.
By the way,
That's the
exit
point.
polls have shown both of them losing.
Let me now
Exit polls
put
have
out
both of them
Raj
losing.
Babbar trailing in Gurugram as of now. Jyotiraditya Scindia leading from Guna. Praneet Kaur leading in Patiala. Kangana Ranaut trailing in Mandi. Gaurav Gogoi leading in Jorhat. Shashi Tharoor, I'm being told that he's speaking to media people. Faizabad, Lallu Singh is leading. Are we seeing some sort of clue there as far as Uttar Pradesh is concerned? Nagaur, BJP, Jyoti Mirdha is leading. She's also somebody who's quit the Congress and come
That
to
is
the
very,
BJP.
very important because again, this is a Jat seat. This is,
This is the seat of Mr. Beniwal, Hanuman
Yeah,
Beniwal.
Hanuman
seat.
Beniwal.
Yeah, so if that means the entire pitch of the India alliance that the Jats will stand as the wall against the BJP may not work.
Right now, 4-5 seats in Rajasthan, which are Jat dominated, are being led by the BJP, but very
That's the
initial
story.
leads.
All right.
Very
This is a
initial leads.
nationwide
Let
lead.
me also
Sarika.
say Jharkhand, Sita Soren leading from Dumka, Nishikant Dubey leading in Godda, and Nishikant and Mahua Moitra's battle in Parliament, legendary. We'll have to wait and watch who wins this election.
Needs to toss to JVC for Telangana, Medak and Itala Rajendra in Malkajgiri. Please speak up, speak up. Green, they're leading, both of them.
Yeah.
So Medak is a pickup by the BJP.
Medak is a seat where BRS had the last hope.
Absolutely.
That was the only seat where BRS had hope.
That's
And
taken by the
Raghunandan-
BJP.
Early days yet.
Early days,
Early
accepted.
days. And the other seat,
Trends.
Malkajgiri, where Itala
Malkajgiri
Rajendra.
is the largest constituency in the entire country.
Absolutely.
Over 35 lakh voters are there.
Yeah.
And Itla Rajendra had a pitched battle there.
Pitched
Is it
battle.
not
One
And
of
he
the
was
newcomers to
represented by
BJP.
Revant Reddy. In the outgoing parliament, Revant Reddy was the member of Lok Sabha.
Absolutely.
Okay,
And that's where the
top
BJP is
20
picked up.
trends at this moment, 8:19 this morning. Narendra Modi leads in Varanasi, Rajnath Singh leads in Lucknow, Nitin Gadkari leads in Nagpur, Annamalai leads in Coimbatore, Shivraj Chauhan leads in Vidisha, Bhupesh Baghel leads in Rajnandgaon, Mehbooba Mufti trails in Anantnag, Rahul Gandhi leading both seats, Raebareli and Wayanad. Amethi, Smriti Irani is leading, Akhilesh Yadav leading in Kannauj, Supriya Sule leading in Baramati, Dharmendra Pradhan leading in Sambalpur, Kangana Ranaut trailing in Mandi, Om Birla leading in Kota, Piyush Goyal leading in Mumbai North, Arun Govil trails in Meerut, Jyotiraditya Scindia leads from Guna, Raj Babbar trails in Gurugram, Gaurav Gogoi leads in Jorhat, and Lallu Singh leads in Faizabad. Manish Tiwari is leading in Chandigarh. Ludhiana, Ravneet Singh Bittu, who quit the Congress and joined the BJP, is leading. ML Khattar now trailing in Karnal, and in Dumka it is Sita Soren who's leading. Purushottam Rupala has reached the counting center of Rajkot. Pawan Singh now trailing in Karakat.
But he will. He
Pawan-
will. It's a CPI-ML guy is really strong over there.
Pankaja Munde is leading in Beed, Pappu Yadav leading in Purnia, Supriya Sule leading, Afzal Ansari leading in Ghazipur.
I think we've got some guests joining us from outside. They've been waiting very patiently. Tuhin Sinha of the BJP and Ashutosh Verma of the Samajwadi Party. Let's get a quick word in from both of them as well. The trend so far, Tuhin Sinha, you go first. Tuhin Sinha.
Well, good morning, Padma Shah. Good morning, Navika ji. Good morning, everybody. I think for the first time, I can see that all the exit polls have been exactly in sync with the actual trend. So even though we are still at the stage of postal ballots, if you see, there is a 2/3 lead very clearly in favor of the NDA, which is pretty much where we are heading. And I think based on the work, exemplary work of Modi ji's government in the last 10 years, this is going to be a huge mandate for another 2 terms. But most importantly, it is also an indictment of the hasty fly-by-night operating style of the opposition after 4 phases of polling. If suddenly the Congress party decides to make fresh promises in its manifesto and say that आप 5 kg अनाज देते हैं तो हम 10 kg देंगे, all of these things have no credibility in the eyes of the voters. So I think it's a huge day, and I am pretty sure that even though it's, you know, the trends are very preliminary, they don't change much as we have seen in 2014.
Let's hope for the best, Tuhin Sinha. Depends on which lens you're looking from. But let me give some updates before I get in. Ashutosh Verma ji of the Samajwadi Party, Omar Abdullah trailing in Baramulla, Nakul Nath trailing in Chhindwara, Owaisi leading in Hyderabad. But the good news, Ashutosh Verma ji, is that Azamgarh, Dharmendra Yadav is leading, Kaushambi, again Pushpendra Saroj is leading, Ghosi Lok Sabha, Samajwadi Party's Rajiv Rai is leading, postal ballot mein Atul Garg is leading in Ghaziabad, Kannauj Akhilesh Yadav is leading, Mainpuri Dimple Yadav is leading. So far, so good. Are you happy that things are okay, normal, leads are coming, या अब भी कफन कहीं आसपास निकाल के रखा है?
Good morning, Navika ji. Good morning, Times Now. I think a hopeful day for India Alliance. बट ठीक है, हम लोग तैयारी पर हैं और मुझे लग रहा है कि ट्रेंड्स जो आ रहे हैं वो अर्ली पोस्टल बैलेट्स के हैं. 10 बजे तक ये पोस्टल बैलेट्स की काउंटिंग होपफुली खत्म हो जाएगी. उसके बाद जो एक्चुअल ईवीएम काउंटिंग्स होगी, बट स्टिल वी आर डूइंग गुड. हमें लग रहा है हम अबाउट हाफ ऑफ द मार्क इन उत्तर प्रदेश आराम से क्लियर कट लीड कर ले जाएंगे इन पोस्टल बैलेट ओनली. सो लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट. वी आर इन द फिंगर क्रॉस्ड.
कोई चिंता, कोई शक, कोई शुभा?
नहीं, कोई चिंता नहीं, कोई शक नहीं, कोई शुभा नहीं. ये जनता की लड़ाई है और जनता ने लड़ी है और हमको पूरी विश्वास है इस देश की जनता ने वो इंडिया गठबंधन की सरकार बनाने जा रही है.
Fantastic.
Mr. Pugal Gandhi of the DMK in as well. I think Mr. Pugal Gandhi has been waiting very patiently. Let's quickly go across to him. Mr. Gandhi, you would be happy the initial 13 leads that we have are all for INDIA, including one Virudhnagar, which is for the Congress, and the rest leads are showing for the DMK. So far, so good for you.
TSP votes gone to TSP votes gone to the Congress.
Let Mr. Gandhi speak, please. Mr. Pugal Gandhi, I think you're muted, sir. Can you unmute yourself?
See, Padmaja, thank you for having me. We have been telling this for a very long time, and so we are not at all surprised. These trends will continue, and it will be a repeat of 2019 in Tamil Nadu. We'll sweep the elections with all 39 with us. So, as far as our leader is concerned, long time before itself, he has made his point very clear. We are very confident with respect to the state of Tamil Nadu. Our only target is how to remove this government and how to remove the Prime Minister from the present position.
So I know it is quite early in the day, but from what exit polls have shown, this could be really a pivotal moment for regional parties. The performance of the BJD that is projected, the performance of the YSRCP seems to point in the direction that we are moving towards a bipolar politics. Congress versus BJP, everyone else sidelined. DMK worried?
No, we are not at all worried about it, because the early trends, even in the postal ballots, because the postal ballots are usually in favor of the ruling party in the center. But even in the postal ballots, we are leading. And even with respect to Annamalai, because even with respect to Annamalai even couldn't lead in the postal ballots. So there is a question of BJP coming to power in 1 or 2 seats, even taking 1 or 2 seats in Tamil Nadu. So as far as DMK is concerned, DMK is becoming sizable, and DMK's vote share is increasing day by day because of the good rule of our Honorable Chief Minister, and we will continue to do that.